Bhattacharya, Shubhankar Bhattacharya, Mamata Banerjee, and I have great respect for her. She's the only woman chief minister, and I always have great respect for women who are achievers. But to switch off the lights and be in mourning, is that required? After all, it's a democratic process. During campaigning, everybody fights to the best of their ability. They call each other names. It's like a what do you call, kho-kho match, or it is a match of tug of war. But when the match is over, in the spirit of sportsmanship, may the best team win. The best team wins, and you clap for the winners in any sport. Why would you switch off your lights and be in mourning? Does that behove a chief minister? I just want to ask you.
Navika ji, first let me, start by congratulating you. Congratulations on the victory of Modi ji and forming Modi 3.0 as it is.
To you too. You are also a citizen of this country as I am.
Of a marketing and
thank you very much, and same to you. Hail democracy. Hail democracy. Democracy is alive. Many congratulations to you as well, Shubhankar ji.
Thank you. Okay. So, and the second part is, when we talk about courtesies, expectations about the mannerism and everything, when have we shown actually any courtesy or manners while even dealing with the opposition on the TV shows even? I have never seen much of the courtesy coming in from the government perspective, from the government side, or even from the media itself. But at the very same point of time when it is being said,
my friend, allow me to intervene. I have 13 FIRs against me from the Bengal government and the Bengal police. I'm still courteous to you, and I hold Mamata Banerjee in high esteem. No problem. And I have never abused anybody in my life. If you have a problem with other media houses and other anchors, I request you to kindly address it with them. On my show, nobody has ever complained about lack of courtesy. Thank you. Make your point.
Okay. And well, that is for the viewers to decide when it is also allowed for, when we use the words, which we actually repeat them, If somebody has said something, a leader has gone ahead, has leaped that line of mannerism and used that word, and we continuously repeat on the television, it is actually, we are also being a part of the same, of the same show. Now, let us come to the point where exactly, the problem is coming up. The problem is that why is opposition actually talking about the government? Or is it the point that basically that still it is being expected out, out of this election also, that now also the opposition has to be mum. You're expecting opposition should be mum about everything. The courtesy should come from the opposition side. But let me ask you, when in the election did we find courtesy from the government side as well? Where did you hear the word mujra coming from? Where did you hear that word mujra coming from? So actually, the political discourse has stooped so low that we should not complain about the words being used or the courtesy being shared. All the courtesy and mannerism is all lost in this particular election.
What do you call it? Loitab.
I'm not blaming one side.
Whatever, I'm trying my Bengali, but you want to live in darkness, be my guest. But may I remind you, in 2021, when Mamata Didi, after a very bitterly fought election, she won. I'm reading out to you what the Prime Minister tweeted. Congratulations to Mamata Didi for AITC officials' win in West Bengal. The centre will continue to extend all possible support to West Bengal government to fulfill people's aspirations and also to overcome COVID-19 pandemic. This is what he said, 7:29 p.m., 2nd of May. The results came out on that day, 2021. Satyaprakash Mishra.
Prime Minister Modi has always congratulated every opposition winning, whether it is Delhi, whether it is UP, anywhere, whether it is West Bengal. Why? And the Prime Minister Modi this time has appealed to the opposition party कि अगर देश के विकसित देश में खप जाना चाहते हैं तो आइए काम करिए साथ में. He has already every time welcomed constructive support from the opposition party. He never mind any kind of criticism from opposition party. This is called democracy. You may criticize us, but at the same point of time, game is over, election game is over. A runner has to give some cutscene to the winner, and a runner has to always congratulate the winner, and then you expect, hello, come on, and then you can expect that winner has hugged you or not. But
Well,
you have never
Sanjay Jha,
extended
30
any kind of
seconds.
courtesy.
Sanjay Jha, 30 seconds. Yes, it's been a bitterly contested election, but it's over. It's over. Yesterday, a new government was sworn in. I want to ask you, will this country
in election campaign, why you called Chaukidar chor hai? The first time you called a sitting prime minister chor hai. What kind of nonsense that was that point of time? You lowered the, words of the election campaign. The prime minister always respected opposition party since he became first time the prime minister. But you never cared about democracy, Mr. Jha, and we don't expect such kind of manners from the Congress party because it is in very depressive mood. He never thought of that a person from a downtrodden society tomorrow can become the prime minister. This is the constitution given by the Baba Saheb
Sanjay Jha,
Ambedkar. You don't
Sanjay
respect
Jha
that.
respond. 30 seconds.
Yeah. Firstly, Navika, I'll tell you why I'm bullish on democracy. When a Dalit wins from the parliamentary constituency of Faizabad or Ayodhya, I believe Indian democracy is going to be alive. And it's very funny that a man here on your show is screaming his lungs out when his leader is known to be a Palturam. So I really don't understand.
If I join hand with, tomorrow with you, I will become Sitharam. If I join hand with BJP, then I become Palturam. Every time you welcome our joining with you. Why you last time joined hand with us? So understand, Mr. Nitish Kumar has never changed his policy and ideology like Congress. Mr. Nitish Kumar is already and always stick to his ideology. He had never changed that. Maybe he had changed partners, but not ideology.
Well, well,
Anyway, Navika,
Sanjay Jha, today, I'm sorry,
Congress
Satya Prakash Mishra and Deepak Reddy will have to take a bow today. They've silenced the opposition completely and pure emotion ke saath. Boss, if you were looking for a lackluster friendship here, what I'm seeing is certainly not that. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. But today, hold your heart in your hand and just eat humble pie. You want to celebrate democracy, do so. If you can't, then cry as much as you want, switch off the lights, be in mourning. And meanwhile, request for a doctor's visit because digestion problems are very, very evident. You want to have a last word, 10 seconds?
Well, I think that there are some people who are Paltu Abduls who have been suspended by the party but continue to stand in support of the same party. So they've done a Paltu Abdul on their own stand.
Well,
माना कि तेरे दीद के काबिल नहीं हूं मैं, तू मेरा हौसला देख और आगे आगे फैसला देख.
क्या बात है संजय झा. आज तो इरादे भी बुलंद हैं और हौसले भी बुलंद हैं. एज दे से कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें, कुछ देर बाद डायल करें. अभी इस लाइन की इस रूट की सभी लाइनें व्यस्त हैं. हाँ, अब 5 साल के लिए व्यस्त हैं. उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया है. ईट योर हार्ट आउट. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी ऑन डिबेट नंबर 1. Always a pleasure and thanks for the opposition panelists to be such a sport.